What's going on, YouTube? My name is Alfred. I'm here with another tool unboxing. This time we have some pretty cool stuff here. I was needing of some deep impact sockets, and I was going through different types of videos, going through Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, what options were there. And I ran across the Milwaukee. I mean, these deep impact sockets have been very highly rated. I like the style of them, the black and white with the engraved numbering to make it easy for the visibility on what socket size you have. So first off, we have here a pretty good collection of the Milwaukee deep impact sockets. I can start off here from the left side. This one here is actually what kind of started everything for me. I just bought this probably about a week ago. Haven't had the time to unbox it or play with it or touch any of them. So kind of curious to see how the quality are. But for this one, I was on Facebook and I'm following like this Harbor Freight group / Home Depot group, tool group. I forgot what group it was, but I think it was from the Harbor Freight group. And someone posted a screenshot that these were on clearance at local Home Depots. So I went and checked online, and these were in fact on clearance. This is the 19-piece SAE Milwaukee Deep Impact sockets, the half-inch drive, model number 4966012, SAE 19-piece half-inch drive impact sockets. There's 6-point deep sockets. They have the lifetime guarantee. This is what I really love about these sockets. The boldest, longest lasting markings, stamped and ink filled. As you can see from the box, they are very clear and visible. And that's something I was looking for in deep impact sockets. Again, this is the half-inch drive shockwave impact duty line. Recommended obviously with the Milwaukee impact wrench. I don't own any Milwaukee impact wrenches. I do own a few DeWalt's. But as far as sockets, I'm not, loyal to any brands or anything. I found these sockets and I felt like these were the ones that I wanted to go with. So definitely will be putting these Milwaukee sockets onto my DeWalt Impact. Sure, it will turn a few heads, but I don't care. Next we have here is, and again, these were $55 at my local Home Depot. They were on clearance, so people can definitely go online and check if they're this was on clearance in their local Home Depot. I believe normally this is one. I don't even know what retail is, but it's over $100, so it's a good deal that I got, and I pulled the trigger. Definitely wanting to need some deep impacts for my 3/8 impact wrench. Again, I have the DeWalt as well for the impact wrench. Impact driver, nut driver. So, but again, definitely, I just bought those. I'm like, I want to complete the set. So for the Milwaukee, I went again with the 43-piece 3/8 impact socket kit. This is also 6-point standard and deep, which is a nice feature to have both shallow and deep sockets and impact. So the cool thing about this, it comes with SAE and metric. It's a 43-piece. For the metric side, it comes from sizes 8 to 19, no skips. So that I really liked. Also, it comes with a couple in sections and adapters. So there's a little 3-inch extension, the adapter for the impact driver, and then the 3/8 converter there, so to 1/2 inch. So that is, it's amazing. I love it. And again, no skips on the shallow and deep, so they match. Then they have here at the very bottom, they have the SAE side. So the SAE comes from ranges 5/16 all the way to 3/4. Continues 5/16 to 3/4 on the SAE side for the impact. So definitely a good range. I use mostly metric stuff. But anyways, I definitely saw this. This was on sale on the Home Depot as well. This one retails for over $100. I don't know exactly what it is. 100, 120, 130, 140, something like that. But they were on sale. I think they're currently on sale as of today, January 29th of 2026. They're on sale for $99 on the Home Depot. I looked for any clearance, but there was no clearance for this particular set. But again, this is a 3/8 drive, shallow and deep socket set, which I definitely like. Model number or item number, it is 4966709, 43 piece. And then lastly, I picked up this one here. I got an amazing deal on this one. This one, I bought it online off of Facebook Marketplace. Some guy was selling this whole kit for $160. Brand new in the box. This one here retails over 200 and something bucks. So I went ahead and got it. This one here in particular is item number 4966715. This is the metric set, the 29 piece, the half-inch drive impact socket kit. They're all 6-point deep, which I love. And like I mentioned earlier, I really use metric sizing. So this one was definitely in my wheelhouse. Again, the same line, the same shockwave impact duty line here for the Milwaukee deep impact sockets. Again, I love the styling, the boldness of the contrast, the leathering. So it's easy to kind of see within the toolbox. This one is amazing because it goes from 8mm all the way to 36mm and no skips, which I appreciate, because even though some of these sizes are very uncommon or really rare or really not even useful, there might be coming a time where you're just gonna need that socket and you don't have it available. So I'd rather have it and not use it than to not have it and not, and when I need it, I don't have it, right? So definitely appreciate that piece. So what I'll do is let me step back so you can look at all three of these sockets. Let me go ahead and unbox them, opening them up, and we'll see what's inside. Oh, and I almost forgot. Want to show you the backside of the boxes. So this one here just gives you a little bit more of like what's included or what's the features about the deep impact socket. So again, like in the front of the box, it said stamped and ink filled. So it's clear markings for the Milwaukee socket. Also has dual hole design for easier attachment. So you want to break it off. There's another thing you can use. Forged high torques impact steel, which is what they're made of. Non-slip hex geometry, the 6-point. So here's a box. Here's what all the socket size, what it includes. For this one in particular, this is the half-inch drive 19-piece SAE socket set. And here they are, the sizes and the quantity. So it's one of each. The impact socket there. Here's what the case looks like. Impact resistant, easy to store, and additional storage space for any like little extensions or any little bolts you might have. You can put it in there. This one here, again, is pretty much the same thing. Everything's the same thing. The only difference is the quantity of the half-inch drive deep impact sockets. Obviously, this is the 29-piece metric set of the half-inch deep impact socket. So it just tells you the sizing, how many of them are there, and pretty much it goes over the same thing, just a bigger box, but also comes with additional storage space, again, to put any bolts or any little extensions that might fit in there. And again, going to the same one, the 3/8 43-piece deep impact SCE and metric set. It's all the same thing. Shows you the sizing of the impact socket sizes, everything that's included. You can see there what's included in the box, and then again the same storage box. So, all right, now let me go ahead and unbox or take them out of the box here and show you what's inside. All right, everyone. So this is what they look like outside of the packaging. They're very, very solid boxes here. As you can see, there's a size difference with the bigger sets here. These ones here is particularly similar to the first one. But yeah, just want to show you here are what they look like in the box. Let me go ahead and open up this one. Very solid. Very solid here. So here it is. This is the metric and SAE combination kit here. Here on top shows you the part number, the sizes, and what's included in the box. It's good to have a part number just in case one of them fails or breaks. You have a part number and you can get that replaced. It does have a lifetime warranty, so that's super cool. What accessories are included. Also, the accessories have their part number as well. The adapter, the impact extension, and the drive universal joint, the lifetime guarantee, and then the number in case you do need to make a claim. It's all there. You can do it online as well. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. They look very good. I mean, super highly visible. They have like oil on them, so they're very well lubricated. So this, I mean, it's just quality, feels quality, super solid. What it looks like there. Like I can't wait to use these and use them here around the house. I do stuff with my own cars. Honestly, I didn't need all these 3 sets all at once, but man, once I bought one, I was like, well, let me look at the other one, and things got a little out of hand. But honestly, I'm super happy. I went ahead and got all these impacts for my needs. And it's going up to the 43-piece metric set. This one here, I feel like I'm going to use the most, especially for my automotive stuff. Once again, they're very greased up, oily. It's gone onto the sticker here, but still legible. You can still read it. Again, same thing. The millimeters, the part numbers for the impact sizes. Same deal. The guarantee, lifetime, the call, the number you need to call. So there's that. Again, these ones here are very clear. This is why I went with the Milwaukee set, the 35 here. Huge. Like the sizing, no skips. This is really what I wanted. The 36 here for taking off oil filter canisters from BMW, stuff like that. I mean, overall, I just can't wait to use them. As you can see here, there's my DeWalt stuff there. So definitely we're putting my Milwaukee stuff on the DeWalt. And then we can just open up. It's, same deal. Same opening, the 2 latches, very solid. What's included in the half drive deep impact socket set here. This is the SAE. This is what I got on clearance. Seeing this on residue, the oil. But they are very, very solid. Like here are all the sizing of what, all of them. You can see there's a lot of oil on there. I'll wipe off some of the excess, but I can't wait to start using these. On the box here, in case they all come out, here are the sizing here. If you want to reorganize them, leave them in the box. Same goes to here. Here is the little cubbies. You can put like a little extra storage, like little mini extensions and bolts and stuff if you're working on it, if you take the case while you work. Same thing here. It goes for all the sizing here. So if you ever do take it out or they fall out, you know where they all go. You need to wipe all this down. And same thing for the 3/8 drive set as well. All the sizing there. But overall, super happy with my purchases. I I just can't wait to start working on my personal vehicles, starting like a little mobile mechanic thing, just basic stuff. But I definitely will put all these to use, and I just can't wait to start and using them. So anyway, this is a quick first look unboxing of the Milwaukee Deep Impact sets. This is here the SAE. This is here the 43-piece metric set, no skips, from 8 millimeters to 36. And then this is a combo kit with the metric and SAE sizing with little extensions. So there you all go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you want me to do more videos of like house or automotive work, using these things with the DeWalt wrench, impact wrench, leave a comment, leave a like, and yeah, I can start making videos like that. But thank you all for watching. Have a good rest of your evening, day, wherever you are, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.